Yeah, so the thing is that we have this diagram, and this is just a rectangle, and we have another rectangle, and this line actually passes through E, and it intersects somehow uh, at at certain point on x-axis. Okay, well, this green line is actually parallel to x-axis, and what we are given that, okay, this angle is actually 10 degree, uh, at least 10 degrees. Okay, we need to prove that, okay, well, this angle is at least 10 degree. So to prove this thing, I mean, this is at least 10 degree. We know that, I mean, these are two lines. Okay, they intersect at point E. So this angle 10 degrees centigrade and this angle, they are same. Okay, if we can find this angle, we call this angle alpha. And if we can prove that, okay, this angle is at least 10 degrees 10 degrees, then actually we are done. Okay, for this reason, what we need to find this angle, we need, look, I mean, since this line is parallel to x-axis, so it means we have here 90 degrees centigrade. Okay, 90. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle, this one. This is E, and we call this point as K, and this is H point. Okay, we don't know this height, KH, we don't know, so I'm going to write here KH. We don't know, we need to find. Okay, but what we know actually, but what we know actually, we know this length E and H. Okay, E and H we already found, and this is actually 26 square root. Okay, and now we need to find E and K. Okay, if we can find E and K, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle to find K and H, KH. Okay, so EK, so it means we need to find EK. But you know that since this line is parallel to this axis, x-axis, so EK equals to AD. So it means EK equals to AD, and we know that AD is actually parallel to BC, and they have the same length. So it means this is actually BC, and we have already found BC, which is actually 5. Now, so right now, we need to find K and H. To find K and H, we apply the Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem in triangle E, K, and H, and that says the hypotenuse EH square is equal to EK square plus KH square, and EH is actually square root 26, so this is going to be 26 square root whole square equals to EK, which we know that 5 square plus KH, we need to find this KH, and this is going to be 26 minus 25 is going to be 1, and KH is going to be square root of 1, which is actually 1. So it means this is KH is 1. Right now we are in the process to find, right now it is pretty easy to find alpha. How? We can apply tan of alpha, which is equal to HK divided by EK, and HK is actually 1, and EK is 5. So alpha is going to be arc tan 1 by 5. So you see at the end of the day you'll get like 11 point something degrees, 11.4 or something like that. So of course, I mean, this is in the question he said, and this angle is supposed to be at least 10 degrees centigrade. So I mean, corresponding angle is at least, so when it is more, so of course this is going to be more as well. So according to this data, this angle is actually 11.5, 11.4, or I don't know what. So it means this angle is supposed to be 11.4. So and it fulfills actually the required conditions. Thank you.